In this video, I will show you how to clean a chimney. A well-maintained chimney is essential for the efficient and safe operation of your fireplace or wood-burning stove. Neglecting chimney cleaning can lead to a range of problems, including reduced airflow, increased fire hazards, and even indoor air quality issues. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the process of cleaning your chimney, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-time homeowner, this guide will help you tackle this important task while keeping safety in mind. Chimneys have been a central feature of homes for centuries, providing warmth and comfort. However, they also require regular maintenance to ensure they work efficiently and safely. One critical aspect of chimney maintenance is cleaning, which involves the removal of soot, creosote, and debris that can accumulate over time. In this guide, we'll explore the step-by-step process of chimney cleaning, from preparation to final cleanup. Tools and equipment. Before you embark on your chimney cleaning journey, gather the necessary tools and equipment. Chimney brush and rods. Choose a brush that fits the size and shape of your chimney. Drop cloths or plastic sheets. Protect your home's interior from soot and debris. Safety gear. Invest in a dust mask, safety goggles, and work gloves to shield yourself from the mess. Plastic bags or buckets. These are essential for collecting and disposing of soot and debris. Flashlight. Use a flashlight to inspect the chimney's interior. A vacuum cleaner with HEPA filter. This will help you remove debris without spreading it. Old clothes or coveralls. Wear clothing you don't mind getting dirty. Safety precautions. Safety should be your top priority when cleaning a chimney. Follow these safety precautions. Ensure the fireplace or stove is entirely cool with no embers. Close the damper to prevent debris from falling into your living space. Don the recommended safety gear, dust mask, safety goggles, and work gloves. Preparing the area. To safeguard your home's cleanliness, take the following steps. Lay down drop cloths or plastic sheets to protect your flooring and furniture from soot and debris. Cover the fireplace opening with a plastic sheet or bag to prevent messes inside. Inspecting the chimney. Before you begin cleaning, inspect the interior of the chimney using a flashlight. Look for obstructions or creosote buildup. Creosote is a highly flammable substance that accumulates in the chimney, so its removal is crucial. Assembling the brush and rods. Assemble the chimney brush and rods. Ensure that the brush is the right size for your chimney and attach the rods securely. This step prepares you for the cleaning process. Initiating the brushing process. Insert the brush and rods into the chimney from the top, or, if your chimney has the clean-out door, from the bottom. Use an up and down motion to scrub the interior of the chimney, applying enough pressure to dislodge any creosote buildup. Removing debris. As you brush, soot and debris will fall into the fireplace or stove. Use a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter to collect this debris, preventing it from spreading throughout your home. Periodically inspect the chimney with a flashlight to assess the amount of buildup you've removed. Continue brushing and cleaning until the interior is relatively clean. Cleaning the fireplace or stove. Once the chimney is cleaned, vacuum the fireplace or stove to remove any remaining debris. This step ensures that your entire heating system is free from blockages. Disposing of debris. Dispose of the collected soot and debris in plastic bags or buckets, and seal them securely. Properly dispose of the waste in accordance with local regulations. Final cleanup. With the chimney and heating appliance cleaned, it's time to clean up your work area. Remove the drop cloths and plastic sheeting. Take off your dirty clothes and wash them separately. Thoroughly wash your hands and face to remove any residue. Reopening the damper. Before using the fireplace or stove again, make sure to fully reopen the damper to allow proper airflow. Conclusion: cleaning your chimney is a necessary maintenance task that ensures your fireplace or wood-burning stove operates efficiently and safely. Neglecting chimney cleaning can lead to a variety of issues, including fire hazards and poor indoor air quality. By following the steps outlined in this guide and taking appropriate safety precautions, you can keep your chimney in excellent condition and enjoy a warm, cozy home during the colder months. In summary, regular chimney cleaning is essential for maintaining the safety and efficiency of your heating system. By following the steps and safety precautions outlined in this guide, You can confidently tackle this task and ensure that your home remains warm, welcoming, and free from the hazards associated with neglected chimneys.